How to create a new project in Vita app. First of all, open the app on your device and wait for it to fully load. Once the home screen appears, look for the New Project button usually located at the top center of the screen and tap on it. Next, you will be prompted to select your media. Choose the videos or photos you want to include in your project from your gallery or storage. After selecting your files, tap Next to proceed. Now you can start customizing your project. Add music, effects, text and transitions using the available tools in Vita. You can trim or rearrange clips, adjust timing, and preview your edits to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you are satisfied with your selections and edits, your new project is ready to save or export. You can continue editing, or if you want to share it later, simply save it within the app for future access. Now you know how to create a new project in the Vita app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.